Shadows dance in these broken walls, whispers of a past I can't recall. Footsteps echo in the hollow night, searching for a spark to reignite. The storm is crashing, my hands are tied, but through the static I see the light. I'll rewrite the stars, tear through the veil. This fractured heart will never fail. I'm on my way through fading echoes, where the fire meets the rain I'll follow. No more ghosts in the rearview mirror. I'm rising louder, screaming clearer. Through the chaos I'll survive. These scars on maps I'm alive. The clock's a liar, time's a thief, but I'll climb this cliff, kiss the grief. Kiss the grief. Fingers trace the cracks in the unknown. Every fall's a step toward the throne. Embers glow in the ashes slow, turn to flames, watch the darkness go. The symphony of silence breaks. I am the storm my soul creates. Fading echoes carry me home. I'm on my fail. I'm on my way through the chaos. I'll survive. These scars on maps. I'm alive. I'll never fail. I'm on my ghost in the rearview mirror. I'm rising louder, screaming clearer. Through the chaos, I'll survive. These scars are maps. I'll survive. These scars are maps. Through the chaos I'll survive.